Celebrity court cases, which combine drama, controversy, and high stakes, frequently capture the public's interest. These examples, which range from startling allegations to dramatic courtroom confrontations, highlight the difficulties associated with both the legal system and celebrity. Here are 10 of the most bizarre celebrity court cases that have astonished the world and provoked discussions about morality, justice, and the influence of celebrity culture. Number 10. Oprah goes to court over a burger, 1997. Many were shocked to learn that Oprah Winfrey was involved in a legal battle in 1997. After talking about the health concerns of meat on her talk show, Texas cattle owners sued her under a contentious statute that shielded the agriculture sector from what they called food disparagement. Her remarks, according to the ranchers, caused a sharp decline in beef sales, costing them millions of dollars in losses. Oprah ultimately prevailed in the lawsuit, and the jury decided in her favor, establishing a precedent for free expression in food safety debates. Number 9. Katy Perry versus Nuns. 2018, Katy Perry's quest to buy an old Los Angeles convent descended into a weird judicial drama filled with accusations of greed and nuns. The Sisters of the Immaculate Heart of Mary argued that the property should have gone to a local developer who intended to keep it as a place of worship, instead of selling it to Perry. The legal dispute intensified after one nun, Sister Catherine Rose Holtzman, allegedly voiced her dissatisfaction of Perry's role and died during court hearings. Perry eventually won the case, allowing her to move forward with the purchase, despite the emotional pain surrounding it. Number 8. Gwyneth Paltrow's Goop lawsuit 2018. When Goop, the lifestyle company owned by Gwyneth Paltrow, was sued for deceptive promotion of its wellness goods, including jade eggs sold for vaginal use, it came under intense scrutiny. Paltrow's claims on these items' health benefits were criticised for lacking scientific support and for potentially misleading customers. In marketing health-related items, the lawsuit brought to light wider issues with celebrity endorsements and accountability. In 2018, Goop was ordered to pay $150,000 in damages. Number 7. Jussie Smollett fakes a hate crime 2019. Actor Jussie Smollett gained notoriety in January 2019 after he revealed that he had been the victim of a vicious hate crime in Chicago. Police found evidence, however, that Smollett had manufactured the attack to win sympathy and advance his career as investigations progressed. He was accused of making fake police complaints. The fact that Smollett was found guilty on 5 counts and given a 150-day jail term in December 2021 highlights the grave repercussions of making up such allegations in a situation where hate crimes are already a real problem. Number 6. Johnny Depp and Amber. Heard 2022. In 2022, the world was enthralled by the highly publicized defamation trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. Depp filed a $50 million lawsuit against Heard for an opinion piece she wrote for the Washington Post, in which she identified herself as a public person who advocates for victims of domestic abuse without specifically mentioning him. Dramatic testimony from both sides throughout the trial made headlines and sparked discussions on gender dynamics and $5 million in punitive penalties, which were later lowered to $350,000. Heard was given $2 million for her countersuit. Number 5. Harvey Weinstein's trial 2020. Following many accusations of sexual misconduct from more than 80 women that ignited the Me Too movement, Harvey Weinstein's trial was a turning point in Hollywood history. During the trial, Weinstein seemed weak and walked, which some thought was a ploy to make jurors feel sorry for him. However, he was found guilty on 2 counts rape in the 3rd degree and illegal sexual conduct in the 1st degree after weeks of testimony and consideration. He received a 23-year prison sentence, which served as both a punishment for his behavior and a sign of responsibility in a field that has long been criticized for how it treats women. Number 4. Bill Cosby's fall from grace 2017. Bill Cosby was hailed as America's dad, but his reputation took a nosedive after more than 60 women accused him of sexual assault over a number of decades. Cosby's first criminal trial took place in 2017. In relation to Andrea Constand's claims, it was later that year that Cosby was retried and found guilty on 3 charges of aggravated sexual assault against Constand after the first trial ended in a deadlocked jury. He was given a prison term ranging from 3 to 10 years, which was one of the biggest downfalls in entertainment history. Number 3. Rebel Wilson's defamation case, 2017. Australian actress Rebel Wilson filed a lawsuit against Woman's Day magazine in 2017 after the publication of articles alleging that she had misrepresented her age and background in order to land Hollywood jobs. Following a fierce court struggle, Wilson prevailed against Bauer Media Group and received a $4.5 million damages award, which at the time was one of Australia's highest defamation payouts. However, this sum was eventually lowered on appeal. The decision upheld celebrities' rights against defamatory remarks while highlighting the significance of ethical journalism. Number 2. Taylor Swift vs. David Merler 2017. Taylor Swift sued former radio DJ David Merler in a historic case pertaining to sexual harassment awareness after he groped her at a meet and greet prior to one of her 2013 concerts. Swift's statement during the trial struck a chord with many because she was open about her experience. She won the lawsuit, and Mueller was ordered to pay damages, reinforcing themes about accountability and consent. Number 1. Anna Nicole Smith's estate battle 2007. The legal battle over Anna Nicole Smith's estate after her husband J. Howard Marshall II died became one of Hollywood's most dramatic court cases. Marshall died at the age of 89, only months after they were married, a union that sparked a lot of rumours because Smith was only 26 years old. Smith challenged Marshall's son for ownership of his billion-dollar wealth after his death. She said that Marshall had given her half of it during their marriage, even though there was no written will that said so. Smith received some benefits from Marshall's case, which proceeded through several courts before reaching the US Supreme Court over jurisdictional issues pertaining to bankruptcy law, a rare instance highlighting both the influence of celebrity culture on legal proceedings and complex inheritance laws. These instances demonstrate how being a celebrity may magnify court matters into dramatic news reports that grab the public's interest and lead to more extensive conversations about social concerns. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe.